In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to view your Snapchat GIF data file. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Once over here, scroll down and head over to the section My Privacy. Select My Data. Then tap on Manage My Data. If you have already requested your Snapchat data, you will see an export available. If not, you can select the data you want. Tap Next and wait for Snapchat to process your request. Once the zip file is ready, tap Download to start downloading it. On an iPhone, the file will be saved in the Files app, and on Android, it will appear in your File Manager. Open the Files or File Manager app, go to Downloads folder and look for Snapchat zip file. Simply click on the zip file and your phone will automatically extract it into a folder. After that, open the extracted folder to view all the Snapchat data, including messages, history, and other information. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.